Now, in addition to all the other roadside attractions that you can find here at the Pink Elephant Antique Mall in Livingston, Illinois, they have something that there are just a very few left in the world. And that is a Futuro House. And there it is, the Futuro House. Probably mispronouncing it. Name of that house? It's F-U-T-U-R-O. Futuro. The House of the Future. Futuro houses were the creation of a Finnish architect named Matti Saarinen. I believe that's how you pronounce his name. I'm not for sure. He had the idea of making these houses based off of prefabricated materials, and so they could be put together rather quickly, and so that the design was designed so they could be placed really in any setting. It didn't matter where in the world you lived, but one of these houses could be put up. They were originally designed to be a ski chalet, and that was what the original purpose was for, but they are found all over the world. However, only about 100 or so of them were manufactured between 1968 and the mid-1970s. They actually, from the time the very first one was produced, there was protesting about it. They were not very popular when they first came out. I don't know why. They're kind of really cool looking for a getaway or for a little vacation spot or something like that. It's kind of neat looking. Regardless, they have become very highly collectible items, and there's only about 65 of these left in the world. And here at the Pink Elephant Antique Mall in Livingston, they have one right here on Route 66. Now, in early January 2023, the Pink Elephant Antique Mall was purchased by new owners. And one of the things those owners wish to do over time with this place, they want to turn this, the Futuro House, into an Airbnb. How freaking cool would that be to actually stay in a spaceship house, the Futuro House, one of only about 65 that are left in existence in the world. I think that'd be totally awesome and amazing. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you would like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure, or any of the adventures in TV land, you can help support this channel by going to either Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon and making a donation or becoming a member at either one of those two places. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.